10 Fastest Animals. The world we live in is home to some of the most incredible creatures, capable of incredible feats of speed and agility. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the fastest animals on the planet. 10th, the blue wildebeest may not be the fastest animal in the world, but it's still incredibly fast. With a top speed of 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour, these large herbivores are capable of outrunning most predators. 9th, the blackbuck is a small, agile antelope that can reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour. These graceful animals use their speed and agility to avoid predators and stay safe in the wild. 8th, the lion may not be the fastest animal, but it's still an impressive runner. With a top speed of 80 km per hour, 50 miles per hour, these powerful predators can chase down their prey with ease. 7th, the springbok is a small antelope that's known for its incredible jumping ability. With a top speed of 88 km per hour, 55 miles per hour, and the ability to jump up to 4 meters, 13 feet, in the air, these animals are incredibly fast and agile. 6th, the pronghorn antelope is one of the fastest land animals on the planet, capable of reaching speeds of up to 88 km per hour, 55 miles per hour. These animals have long, slender legs and a lightweight frame that allow them to move quickly and effortlessly. 5th, the cheetah is the fastest land animal in the world, capable of reaching speeds of up to 100 km per hour, 62 miles per hour. These incredible predators use their speed and agility to catch their prey and survive in the wild. 4th, the sailfish is the fastest fish in the ocean, capable of swimming at speeds of up to 110 km per hour, 68 miles per hour. These incredible fish are known for their speed and agility, which they use to catch their prey and avoid predators. 3rd, the white-throated needletail swift is the fastest bird in level flight, with a top speed of 170 km per hour, 105 miles per hour. These small, agile birds are known for their incredible acrobatics and are a favorite sight among birdwatchers. 2nd, the golden eagle is a powerful bird of prey that's capable of reaching speeds of up to 320 km per hour, 200 miles per hour. With its incredible speed and keen eyesight, this bird is a formidable hunter. 1st, the peregrine falcon is the fastest animal on Earth, with a top speed of 389 km per hour, 242 miles per hour. These incredible birds of prey use their speed and agility to hunt their prey, making them one of the most efficient hunters in the animal kingdom. In conclusion, the animal kingdom is full of amazing creatures that possess incredible speed and agility. From the blackbuck to the peregrine falcon, these animals have evolved to adapt to their environments, using their speed and power to avoid predators, catch prey, and survive in the wild. Their unique abilities and characteristics make them fascinating to study and appreciate, and they serve as a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty of the natural world.